Welcome to Art Hop 2016. This is our first Art Hop of the year. We're so excited. We have Dignity Health as a sponsor. We got support from the city as well. You can see there's a lot of people out tonight. It's a pretty live event. We have some cool art exhibits. CSU Stanislaus is out here. Merced High is out here. We have over 24 artists, 24 businesses are participating. It's great for the economy, it's great for Merced, it's great for our youth, and we're excited to be here and kick off 2016 for Merced County.
Some of the kids' activities for today have to do with human kindness, and so one activity is to paint a heart, and once they finish it, then we'll donate them to Dignity Health, and then we have a birdhouse painting, and we also have a
you have the little wooden figurine.
Yeah.
Merced Art Hop has been in full swing. We're going on our 8th year. For 2016, we're excited. We opened up a new gallery downtown, so we're right in the core. So we're excited about that. Right now, CSU Stanislaus is in there. Kimberly is a CSU Stanislaus alumni, so it kind of she's reaching out to her alumni, and we're happy to exhibit them and support.